which the legislature has done, and call them on it and force them to do as they did in North Carolina, force them to draw new maps. I mean, when they came up with their original map, they wanted to propose a map that would have 10 Republicans, 4 Democrats, and stated as roughly, 50-50. When asked about it, one of the Republicans down there said, well, they asked him, why'd you do a 10-4 map? He said, because we couldn't draw an 11-3 map. So that gives you a sense of their mindset. Supreme Court says that's inconsistent with the North Carolina Constitution. Redraw the maps. The maps are done in a fair way. And what do we get out of North Carolina? A 7-7 split in the congressional delegation. That's something that they did not like. And they said, all right, we'll take this to the Supreme Court on this ridiculous, bogus, fringe theory, the independent state legislature doctrine. And for any member of the court to put his or her name behind a decision, even if it's a dissenting opinion, to say that there is some validity to this theory, I think really calls into question, where that justice is coming from.
Yeah, well, to that end, I mean, even if it's a narrow ruling, Justice Kagan today expressed concerns about it being used to fuel further conspiracies like the fake elector scheme. If the court does not stake out a very clear position on this, how concerned are you that it could be weaponized in elections down the line to support theories like the one proposed by John Eastman to allow states to send fake electors in to Congress?
But that's exactly the point. We're not talking about something theoretical. We only have to look at that which the January 6th committee has exposed. It shows that John Eastman wanted to use this very theory as a way to subvert the peaceful transfer of power. Now, it is not, this is, the case before the court deals with gerrymandering in North Carolina, in one state, but this theory could also be used in the way that John Eastman proposed. And so, as I think Neil Katyal described it, he said that the collateral damage that could be done by an inappropriate decision here is pretty vast. Our democracy could be harmed in extremely substantial ways.
Do you